This is a list of the worst cars you can buy in 2025, and it's crucial to avoid these financial traps. With car prices high, choosing the wrong vehicle can drain your bank account and patience. Let's jump straight into number 10. Number 10 is the Volkswagen Atlas, a seemingly perfect family SUV with serious reliability issues. Owners report engine troubles, transmission failures, and buggy electronics. Frequent dealership visits for warranty claims make it a frustrating ownership experience. Despite its spacious interior, the Atlas is a costly burden. For 2025, there are far more reliable three-row SUVs. Avoid the Atlas if you want peace of mind. At number 9, the Land Rover Discovery Sport promises luxury but delivers disappointment. It ranks low in reliability with widespread electrical and mechanical issues. Owners face expensive repairs and steep depreciation. The dream of owning a luxury SUV quickly turns into a financial nightmare. Despite its stylish appearance, the Discovery Sport is a risky choice. For 2025, it's best to steer clear. Choose reliability over luxury allure. Number 8 on our list is the Dodge Journey, a vehicle that, despite its name, seems stuck in the past and unable to move forward. Once marketed as a practical family crossover, the Journey now stands as a stark reminder of how quickly automotive technology and design can leave a model behind. Even today, you'll find the Dodge Journey haunting the lots of used car dealerships, often looking a bit worse for wear. Its outdated styling and lackluster presence make it easy to overlook, but for those who do take a closer look, the shortcomings become immediately apparent. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that feels like a time capsule from the early 2000s. The dashboard is cluttered, the materials are cheap, and the infotainment system is laughably small and slow compared to what's standard in today's vehicles. There's a noticeable absence of modern safety features. No advanced driver aids, no adaptive cruise control, and barely any connectivity options. Performance is another area where the Journey falls flat. The engines are underpowered, making highway merges a nerve-wracking experience. And if you're hoping to save money at the pump, think again. The Journey's fuel economy is among the worst in its class, meaning you'll be making frequent, costly stops for gas. Reliability is a major concern as well. Common issues include persistent engine oil leaks, problematic transmissions that can fail without warning, and electrical gremlins that are both frustrating and expensive to fix. Mechanics often warn buyers about the high likelihood of costly repairs down the road. While the Journey's low sticker price might seem tempting at first glance, it's important to remember that the initial savings are quickly erased by high running costs, frequent repairs, and a resale value that plummets faster than most competitors. What you save up front you'll likely pay back and then some over the life of the vehicle. The driving experience itself leaves much to be desired. The suspension feels unrefined, the steering is vague, and the overall ride quality is harsh, especially on rough roads. Inside, the seats wear out quickly and offer little comfort for long trips, making every journey feel longer than it should. It's a vehicle that not only feels cheap, but also drives poorly, often leaving drivers frustrated and passengers uncomfortable. In a world where even budget SUVs offer a decent blend of comfort and technology, the Journey simply can't keep up. As we look ahead to 2025, the advice is clear: avoid the Dodge Journey at all costs. There are far better, more modern, and more reliable options available in the used SUV market. Whether you're looking for safety, comfort, or just peace of mind, you'll find it elsewhere. So, do yourself a favor and let the Dodge Journey fade into the distance. Choose a vehicle that's ready for the future, not stuck in the past. Journey far away from this one. Number 7 is the Chrysler 200, a mid-size sedan that failed to deliver. Its 9-speed transmission is notoriously problematic, making driving unpredictable. Cramped rear seating and uncomfortable front seats add to its woes. Reliability issues and poor resale value make it a regrettable choice. Chrysler abandoned it after 3 years, a telling sign. For a reliable mid-size sedan, look elsewhere. Avoid the Chrysler 200 in 2025. Number 6 on our list is the Chevrolet Spark, a car that's often marketed as an affordable and practical solution for city dwellers. At first glance, its compact size and low price tag might seem appealing, especially for those looking for a budget-friendly way to get around town. But when you take a closer look, the Spark reveals a number of significant compromises that are hard to ignore. The Spark's tiny engine, while efficient in city traffic, really struggles when you need to merge onto highways or keep up with faster-moving vehicles. Acceleration is sluggish, and you'll quickly notice the lack of power, especially when the car is loaded with passengers or cargo. Inside, the cabin is basic, with hard plastics and minimal sound insulation. Road and engine noise are constant companions, making longer drives tiring and uncomfortable. Beyond the underwhelming performance, reliability is a major concern. The Spark has a history of issues, particularly with its transmission. Owners have reported unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs, sometimes at surprisingly low mileages. This means that what you save up front could easily be lost to expensive maintenance and repairs down the road. While the Spark sticker price is undeniably low, those savings can be quickly erased by frequent trips to the mechanic. Repair bills, especially for transmission problems, can add up fast, turning what seemed like a bargain into a financial headache. Outside of city limits, the Spark's limitations become even more apparent. It struggles to keep up with traffic on rural roads and highways, and the lack of features inside, like advanced safety tech or comfortable seating, reminds you that this is a car built to a price, not a standard. If you're looking for a small car that offers better reliability, comfort, and features, there are plenty of other subcompacts on the market that deliver a much better ownership experience. Many competitors offer more power, better interiors, and stronger reputations for dependability. Ultimately, if reliability and peace of mind are important to you, the Chevrolet Spark is a model best avoided. The risk of unexpected breakdowns and high repair costs simply outweighs the initial savings. With its cramped interior, limited cargo space, and long-term reliability concerns, the Spark is a classic case of you get what you pay for. Sometimes spending a little more upfront can save you a lot of trouble in the long run. Number 5 is the Fiat 500L, a failed attempt at practicality. Its awkward design and clumsy driving experience are off-putting. Reliability is abysmal, with frequent transmission and electronic issues. High repair costs and rapid depreciation make it a poor investment. The 500L is a car with few redeeming qualities. Avoid it in 2025 for a more reliable choice. It's a failed experiment best left in the past. Choose wisely. Number 4 is the Mitsubishi Mirage, a car that defines cheap and soulless. Its underpowered engine makes driving a chore, and the interior is depressingly basic. High depreciation and poor resale value negate any initial savings. The Mirage is a false economy offering little more than basic transportation. For a better driving experience, look elsewhere. Avoid the Mirage in 2025. You deserve more than just cheap. Choose wisely. Number 3 is the Nissan Versa, a budget car with costly secrets. Its CVT transmission is notoriously unreliable, leading to expensive repairs. Poor build quality and lack of safety features add to its drawbacks. The Versa is a ticking time bomb on the used market. Avoid it in 2025 to save yourself from financial headaches. There are better options for affordable used cars. Don't gamble with the Versa. Choose reliability. Number 2 is the Ford EcoSport, a poorly conceived subcompact SUV. Its cramped interior and impractical design make it frustrating to own. The underpowered engine and poor ride quality add to its woes. Reliability issues and unimpressive crash test ratings are major red flags. The EcoSport fails on almost every level. Avoid it in 2025 for a better subcompact SUV. There are countless better options available. Choose wisely. When you first lay eyes on the Jeep Renegade, it's easy to be impressed. With its boxy, rugged design and bold front grille, it looks every bit the adventurous off-roader. The Renegade seems to promise excitement, freedom, and the ability to tackle any road or trail you throw at it, but looks, as they say, can be deceiving. For 2025, the number 1 worst car you can buy is, without a doubt, the Jeep Renegade. While the Renegade's marketing is all about adventure and capability, the reality is far less inspiring. Owners quickly discover that the Renegade's promise of adventure is little more than a clever sales pitch. Instead of delivering on its rugged image, it often leaves drivers stranded or frustrated thanks to a long list of reliability issues and underwhelming performance. The Renegade may look ready for the wild, but it's more likely to let you down when you need it most. The most common complaints from Renegade owners revolve around persistent transmission and engine problems. Many report jerky shifting, sudden loss of power, and engines that overheat or stall without warning. Electrical gremlins are also a frequent headache, with dashboard warning lights flickering on for no apparent reason and infotainment systems that freeze or crash. These issues aren't just minor annoyances, they can lead to expensive repairs and leave you stranded at the worst possible times. Despite its trail-rated badge and tough guy looks, the Renegade simply doesn't measure up as a practical or reliable vehicle. When compared to other compact SUVs in its class, it consistently ranks near the bottom for dependability and owner satisfaction. If you're looking for a vehicle that will get you to your destination without drama, the Renegade is not the answer. Underneath that Jeep exterior, the Renegade shares much of its engineering with the Fiat 500L, a car notorious for its own reliability woes. This shared DNA means the Renegade inherits many of the same problems, from fragile components to questionable build quality. It's a car that breaks down like a poorly engineered Fiat, not the tough Jeep it pretends to be. If you value your time, money, and peace of mind, the Renegade is a vehicle you'll want to avoid in 2025. Too many owners have found themselves stranded on the side of the road, waiting for a tow truck instead of enjoying the journey. There are simply too many better, more dependable choices out there. Don't be fooled by the Renegade's stylish appearance or clever marketing. When it comes to choosing your next car, reliability should always come before looks. Choose a vehicle that will get you where you need to go, every time. The Jeep Renegade may catch your eye, but it's best left behind. There you have it, the top 10 worst cars for 2025. Make informed decisions to avoid financial setbacks and stress. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more car buying advice.